I would like to welcome everybody who's gathered here today in this room as well as virtually, everybody who has joined this meeting to commemorate the virtual MOU signing ceremony for the Huawei ICT Academy. So I would like to welcome you all, especially our chief guest, the Chairman HEC, Dr. Tariq Banori Saab. I would now like to request the chief guest, the Honorable Dr. Tariq Banori Saab, Chairman HEC, to please share his thoughts with us as well.
One university that I want to mention in particular is UET Lahore, which really has done a tremendous job in making use of this opportunity, not only in terms of the training program, but also mobilizing revenues, creating a cohort of people who can then begin to provide training to others. And I would like to see that experience being replicated in other universities, especially in the newer universities that are being established. As I mentioned, we are trying to work on different types of programs which we will share with the universities so that this practical learning can become a central and essential part of the education that we provide to our children. That every child who graduates from our university is then capable not only of knowing the subjects in which they have been trained, but going out practically, creating their own businesses, operating more effectively in transforming the businesses and the offices, and then also being much more successful in their jobs and in their employment, etc. And technology, as I mentioned, is one of the central features of this. So I would like very much the Vice Chancellor to take a personal interest in this, use this opportunity, leverage this opportunity, both for your students and your faculty, see this opportunity as a way of transforming your own universities as part of your own strategy of transforming, of harnessing technology in the operations of the university. Use this as a way of mobilizing resources because there are subsidies involved in this thing, and those subsidies can be taken advantage of by the university. Use this to work with other universities, develop collaborations with other universities, and use this to create a broad a community of people with the requisite skills to bring about the transformation that we need in the country. I think each one of these things is an important step. It is how we use that step and leverage it that will determine the success of our program. My congratulations to the new entrants in this program. I look forward to seeing great things from you. My congratulations to UET in particular for the exceptional work that it has done. My congratulations to the other 13 universities that were a part of this initiative and have contributed significantly, and we would like to see them now emulate and rise above UET's example in this regard. And my congratulations to our partners from Huawei. Thank you very much for your support and your participation. We look forward to working with you not only in this, but in a number of other initiatives. Together, not only are we going to bring about the transformation in Pakistan, but also add further strength to our long-standing and happy relationship with China, the Pakistan-China relationship.